Hello for everyone. My name is Ivan. Today I want to talk about a work routine that I used to have before this year. Um, some times ago, I used to work in a community project called Circo Raiz. In this project, we organized artistic activities for children and families in vulnerability communities. Um, Okay. Uh, During that time, I used to help the organize artistic workshop every week. Our teams used to prepare games, circus activities, and create exercise. We also used to organize materials and plan the activities before meeting the community. This preparation was very important because we wanted the children to feel comfortable and motivated. Um, Okay, the workshop day in the circus workshop. One day we organized a circus workshop for children in the neighborhood. At the beginning, many children were shy and quiet. Some of them did not want to participate in the activities. However, we started with simple games to help them relax. Um, After a few minutes, maybe an hour, everything changed. The children started to laugh and participate in the activities. Some of them tried jugglings, other practice balance exercise, and some create a small performance. It was amazing to see how quickly they gained confidence. Um, at the end of the workshop, the children felt happy and proud. Some parents came and thanked us for the activity, and they told us that their children enjoyed expressing themselves through art. For me, that moment was very meaningful, and enjoy so much the community work. Yeah, okay, and the conclusion that the experience I was uh, I have been doing for this uh, year and other years in the community work is that the art transform the communities. Looking back, I realized that these experiences were very important. In the past, I used to organize this workshop frequently. They taught me that value of teamwork, creativity, and community work. This experience showed me that art can transform people's lives and transform me. Thanks um, to hear me and see you soon.